Hey everyone, we've just finished our speaker training workshop and I've got some of these guys here who've just finished. Make some noise! It's been an awesome day, lots of breakthroughs, and they just wanted to share some stuff. So I just want to pass this around and they can tell you a little bit about how it was today. So we'll go with Marion, say hi.
Hello, hi. It was awesome. We learned so much about stage presence, so much about connecting with the audience, the energy that we give, and how we, how we connect with the audience, how we use the space around us, and to our tonality, and so much more. I'll let others tell you.
Was it fun or weird?
It was both weird and fun. It was a lot of fun, but it made you actually internalize a lot of things and it was weird as well, but it was fun and it was well worth it. You guys, you need to do this. This was amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Now we'll go to Tarun.
Hey! Okay, so I've never done a testimony before, but I said I'm going to do a testimony. So basically, what did I learn? I learned that, you can step out your comfort zone, get out of your head, achieve what you want to believe. If you believe, you will achieve. Just basically get up there, do it, and whatever happens doesn't matter. You will keep doing it and doing it and doing it again.
Before we started speaker training, you said you were shy.
Yep.
What happened?
I really don't know. It was within my head, and now today I actually said I was gonna. I've never done karaoke before, and I took.
Don't spoil the secrets, bro.
Okay, sorry.
You can spoil the secrets
next time, yeah. But basically, yeah, today I've seen a different side of myself I never would have seen in a long time. But it's thank you to you, Luke. In many, many years, I've never been able to come out of my shell. You have allowed me to do that.
Bo says, hi, Mr. Beard.
Thank you.
And now we'll go to Kiko.
Hello guys. I came a few days ago here and I didn't know what I was coming for. I've discovered over the past couple of days, I've discovered loads about how to talk to people, how to be on stage, and how to really look at yourself. And this doesn't only affect you when you're on stage and when you're talking to people, but affects you on a one-to-one basis, and it affects you about seeing who you truly are inside you.
And yesterday, something special happened, right? What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, out of the blue, I was called on stage and I did, my first speaking in front of 40-50 people.
Nice! Everyone give Kiko a round of applause. Beautiful. And just for the people who maybe have never spoken before, Kiko, and they're just worried, did you die?
I didn't die. Last week, on Friday, was the first ever time I spoken in public. I'm the guy who never puts the hand up, never shares, never gets involved, because I believe I don't have anything important to say. I don't have anything to teach to anybody. And I didn't die. Actually, it felt awesome. And every time I get on the stage, it feels better and better and more natural. So if you're thinking of coming in here, please, please, please do.
What would your advice be for someone who maybe is scared of speaking right now?
If you're scared of speaking, then you need to let it go. You need to make sure you know what you're scared of. What's the worst thing that can happen? You come here, you make a fool of yourself, and then you try again an hour later. That's it. It's a safe space. It's not gonna get better than this. It's not gonna get safer than this. So the worst thing that can happen if you come here and you crack a shell and you start, releasing who you truly are and what you really want to do in life.
Beautiful. Thank you. Now we're gonna go to Melina.
Tarun, there's no shy people. We are actually prisoners of our own fears, and here we are able actually to find who we really are. We are unlocking this. We are not scared. We're crossing the boundaries, and we're doing so much cool stuff. We're connecting with people, and we're learning. We're really learning. And truly, I recommend to anyone, if you want to find yourself and you want to cross the boundaries and see how far can you go, this is the place to be.
Nice, amazing. Now we're going to go to Bacchus.
Hello everyone. As everyone said, it's been amazing. You get to meet a lot of cool people like everyone around me. You come out of your comfort zone. I mean, if you imagine my comfort zone like this, Luke's slowly stretching it. And let's see how far it goes in the next few days as well. But you learn a lot from just not only just speaking on stage, you learn about yourself as well. There's a lot of tears today, there was a lot of laughter, and everyone has really opened up, I've seen, for the past few days as well.
It seems like a lifetime ago, Bacchus, that I interviewed you after one of Eric Cole's events.
You did.
I can't even remember when that was.
That was a couple of months ago, but...
Did you think, like, back then that you would be speaking and ready to speak on stage and change all these lives and travel the world and all that kind of stuff?
Nothing, no, not really. I remember sitting across Luke, saying, "What do you do, Luke?" Luke said, "I'm an international speaker." I was like, "What is an international speaker?" But now I'm impressed. Joined Luke's workshop, not looking back, and just looking forward to see what the future holds. And thank you, Luke, so much.
Beautiful, beautiful. Give him a round of applause. Who are you going to go to next? Oh, go.
Hi guys, it's been amazing. It's been a pleasure being here. There's a kind of healing that goes on. There's a kind of oneness that goes on. It's been wonderful. I've not been attending the whole program, but today I was here almost fully, and it's been tremendously helpful. I've been healed in a different way. When you come, you just come expecting, just come as yourself. Come as yourself. Don't keep any barrier. Don't put any barrier before you or before anybody. Just be yourself. Get loose. Lose yourself, because here we're losing ourselves. We dance, we jump, we do everything just like babies would do. And then you get to come out, and your real self get to come out. So you're welcome. So you will enjoy yourself. You won't regret it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now we're going to go to Serge.
Hi guys. Luke is the best coach you can have, because actually I came about 2 weeks ago, and when I went on stage it was a completely different experience to what I've done today. You know, I want to run off and sit down and never come back. But today actually I can speak a bit. It's still not much confidence, but his program is different to other coaches. It's not boring, it's interactive, you get to dance, you get to mediate, so just come and see Luke, you know, and you can have a best coach in London or maybe in the world.
Oh, nice, nice. I didn't pay him to say that, by the way. And now we're going to go to Mo.
Hi, yeah, the training today was amazing, and like for the past couple of weeks, and to get this level of training of like, you know, a whole month of just like Luke's like specialist techniques. And he's amazing because he's like, he takes you through everything, like from body language through to, you know, standing still. And having presence and tonality and how you use tonality, and the exercises are just incredible, just like they really get you out of your comfort zone, and they kind of make you really uncomfortable, but then you integrate the learnings, and actually you then have the learnings after you integrate them, after you're writing them down. It's like, oh yeah, and have light bulb moments, and then there's loads of exercises where you get to share as well. So it was a really amazing like few weeks, and yeah, we're going to see what happens as we progress.
And Mo was sharing with me as well that he wants to become an international speaker and travel the world. How does that make you feel?
Oh my god, like it's such an opportunity, and like, you know, I think the thing with Luke is that he's so accessible, like he's just like I can see myself growing into him. And
That sounds weird. That sounds weird, bro. That sounds weird.
Really going
That's in the advanced program. That's in the advanced program.
But yeah, but I see him as like a relatable person and a realistic person to kind of like climb up to. So I think, and climb up, not into. Maybe not into.
Well, we're gonna have to have a different kind of one-on-one, I think. Everybody, you know, being a speaker trainer is amazing because you get to take people from when they come and they're like these little acorn seeds, and you know, they're like all shy and nervous and not sure of themselves, and then just a couple of sessions in and everyone's like doing speaking events, they're all on stage. Marion was on stage last night. Everyone give Marion a big round of applause. Bacchus is going to be on stage next week. Give him a big round of applause. Everyone's practicing so hard, they're all just properly going for it, and it's really beautiful, you know, just to be a part of that. And I can't think of anything else I'd rather do. I get to travel the world and just help people, and you know, if that sounds exciting to you too, then just comment below, drop me a message. I work with people from all different levels, whether you're just starting out in speaking, like a lot of people are here, or whether you've been speaking for a long time, but maybe you haven't had that big break yet. It probably just means there's something not working right now that we can just tweak. And when you do that little tweak, then it'll explode. So everybody, comment below, drop me a message. Would love to have you on my Speaker Success program. And for those of you who saw the big announcement yesterday, we're going to be doing a tour of the US as well. And we've got 5 slots for people to come and travel all around America with us speaking. So if that excites you, comment below, drop me a message, and One more time, guys, make some noise!